Hi, this is Sean Kelly with American Cable Assemblies, and today we're here to talk to you about our industrial M12 assemblies. Hi, and welcome to the Cable Cabin. Today we're here to talk to you about our industrial M12 cable assemblies. We stock and carry M12 M12 connectors and feature them in a number of different options. You can either do, say, a male M12 X-code connector or, say, a female flange mount X-code connector. And you could either pair those two together, or you could have either a standard RJ45 or even an IP67 RJ45. All of these assemblies that you see here are paired with a Quabbin high flex industrial Cat6 or Cat6A Ethernet cable. And that cable is CMX rated, which means it's good for indoors and outdoor applications, as well as it has an SF UTP, which means it has a braid and a shield to prevent against interference. But what makes this cable special is it has a TPE extruded jacket. And what that means is that when you pinch down on that jacket, the cable bounces back into roundness, which significantly impacts its ability to be watertight. When you compare that with a standard PVC jacket, when you pinch it down, it doesn't bounce back into roundness, which impacts its performance. In addition to the assemblies that you see here, we also offer an M12 molded connector, and we have that in stock open-ended. So if you require a specific length, we can put any of the number of connectors here on the other end of this molded connector, so that way you have the performance of a molded connector, but you can get it in a custom length. Before any of these assemblies leave our facility here in Western Massachusetts, we 100% test them to make sure they meet performance. If you have any requests in terms of customization, our phone number and email are below. Please give us a call or send us an email. We're happy to do whatever to meet your needs. Thank you for stopping by today, and remember, at American Cable Assemblies, our connections improve your network.